Hey guys, I just want to show you really quickly how easy it is to send something to your RefineColor UV printer. So here I'm taking my design that I saved as a PDF in my design software, which is Silhouette Studio. Okay, so I designed it in Silhouette, saved it as a PDF, and then opened it up into Photoshop, okay? This is where I'm gonna save it as a TIFF file because that is the type of file my printer needs. Now, if I wanted a white channel underneath, meaning that the UV inks are all kind of transparent, so if you want your colors vibrant or any white to show up, you need to create a white layer underneath. And I have this cool little action over here that does it automatically, and you can get this in Jay's group, but all I have to do is click the CMYK and press play, and that's gonna put a white channel underneath. But for this one, I'm printing on white, so I do not need the white channel, so just don't worry about that right now. So all I did was upload it into Photoshop, and then I'm going to file, save as, and it's gonna go to a TIFF. And I just wanna save that as a TIFF. I already have it saved. And then all you need to do is go over into your Print EXP software, which is this, create new, import your design, and there it is, okay? And now all I'm gonna do is press print. I'm gonna do a 12 pass, and I'm going to send it to the printer. Okay, that print was 3 minutes and 47 seconds. And now it's perfectly dry. And you have a gorgeous, see if I can get it to focus, sign that they can place on their desk. So I want to know what questions you guys have. This was printed on, this is marker board. Put it on a little stand on their desk. Isn't that cute, you guys? So what I did here too was, this was like my practice, so never mind that, was printed an outline of that circle that I wanted first, so I knew exactly where to place this, so it was centered. And normally if you're doing something like paper or something lightweight, this does have a vacuum table that you can turn on, and all these little holes, it sucks down your material. I just didn't have it on because it's noisy. So hopefully that helps. Again, I'll do some more videos. This is the ZZ2C from RefineColor. I do have a discount code, Dawn Marie. If you use my code, you save $100. Let me know what questions you have so I can do more videos for you.